How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use modifiers in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply basically just design your project the way you want to. And if you're ready to add your modifier, just right click on the model that you want to modify. Let's say this one. Let's click on add modifier, and you could simply add this as normal as doing the add part option or negative part. Basically, when we are using modifiers, we are able to add that specific part of our model where the modifier integrates with the model itself. So basically with this one, it will only edit this specific part of the area where they intertwine with each other. Now, of course, you could adjust this normally. So maybe if you want to edit this part of your object, you could simply do so. And now to finally edit this specific part of our object, you just want to make sure that the modifier is selected. And then we have the modifier settings inside or below the objects option. Basically in here, if you want to edit this part of your base model's infill density, you could do that. We have our quality, we have our strength, and many more. So with this way, we're able to edit this part of area while not messing up the other parts that doesn't have the modifier. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.